Hey there, if you are a manager or business owner and you have staff that you have a rotating schedule every week, this is a great spreadsheet to use to keep track of everything. This is completely editable and printable. I've got two different versions. I've got a regular employee schedule and I also have a shift schedule so that if the roles change each time, you can change out the schedule easily. I'm going to show you how this works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel on my website, savvyandthriving.com. And here we go. Okay, so again, like I said, this is completely printable and editable. So anything in here, we could totally come in and delete everything. Even if you wanted to change the days of the week, you could. And if you wanted to start your shift week on a different day of the week, say Monday, you can do that as well. So all I'm doing is highlighting and deleting everything. Okay, also this is the week of. So if you want to have this printed out nicely, you can say, hey, we're gonna come in and this is gonna be the week of the 5th. You can do that as well. You can put your manager name or, store name, whatever you want, whatever works for you. Okay, so let's just do a little sample here. So we've got your staff member's name. So this is John. Is he gonna work on Sunday? We're gonna say he's off. Monday, we're going to do 8 a.m. to, 2 p.m. And the formatting is up to you. However you want to do the formatting. If you like to have the formatting differently, if you want to do colon 00 a.m. to, 1 colon 00 p.m., that's fine too. If you need to make this a little wider, you can. So you can come up to the top and widen that as well. So this is a really, really easy sheet to use and modify for your needs. If you don't like my color, if you don't like pink, you can always highlight everything, go up to the fill color button and, make it something different for your job. So this sheet holds 25 staff members if you have that many. If not, you're welcome to delete that off. And then there's a second shift as well for a second week as well to help you out. This next tab is a completely blank employee schedule so that you can print this off or just start from scratch. And then this is your shift schedule. So I will show you how this works. So we can put in, the person's name. So we can put in John again. And let's say he's going to work 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And then, we can put in his role. So say Sunday, he is going to be a cashier. Monday, he's going to be in, stock. Tuesday, he's going to be off. And then Thursday, he's going to be food prep. So that way, especially if you're at a restaurant, you can have your shift to show different roles for your staff so everyone knows when they come in what they're doing that day. And again, this is the blank shift schedule as well so that you can easily modify that. So that's how this works. It's a super easy sheet to use. Again, it's available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. Let me know if you have questions. I have over 400 sheets as of today. So feel free to check out my website and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.